Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to integrate YouTube with Google Tools. In order to integrate YouTube with Google Tool, you could use a dedicated features like linking your YouTube channel to Google Ads or Locker Studio. So basically, you could go to YouTube Studio settings, that is, exit out of YouTube and then make sure to install YouTube Studio and click on the profile initials from the top of the page, go to settings. As you go to the settings, then you want to select channels, and under channels, you want to go to advanced settings. So when you go to the advanced settings, you could go ahead and select link account to connect your Google Ads for reporting and ads as well. And likewise, the other thing, from a Locker Studio, you could create a new data source and select your YouTube's analytic creator to analyze your channel performance as well. And for content embedding, you could go to Google Sites that can help you out, or just tap on the plus button and you could find or embedded videos from your channel or a past address as well. So this way you could integrate YouTube with Google Tools. And likewise, there are other options or features available. You could explore that as well. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.